oftentimes we look at what we call the liquid to snow ratio. So what that means is that the colder the temperature gets, the less moisture it's able to hold, the air is able to hold. So your snow tends to be drier, and typically for around here, if you would melt the snow, 1 inch of liquid would be the equivalent of 10 inches of snow. But with our temperatures that we have, it's more like 1 inch of liquid equal to 15 inches of snow. So when we're talking anywhere between, say, 0.05 of an inch to 0.4 of an inch of total liquid when you melt all the snow across our area, that allows for that snow to maybe pile up a little bit more so. Right in between, you have this ridging of high pressure. And when you look at this on the map, if you know about the Greek letter omega, you can see how that shape there kind of looks like that. That's why we call it the omega block. It's like a traffic jam in the atmosphere. You're not able to see much movement with weather systems. As we go through the weekend, though, piece of energy diving down out of Canada here across our neck of the woods going to help to finally kick this upper level low out. That allows for clearing skies. What I want to start you off showing you here at this hour is visible satellite imagery. Now, this is the sunlight's reflection off of the ground. When you have clear sky, a lot of times you can pick up on other things such as snowpack or, in this case, smoke. And we can clearly see the smoke today here in the Blue Ridge area between Augusta, Albemarle, Rockingham, Greene counties. Here we can see that smoke drifting more off to the west today across the Shenandoah Valley. You think back to Monday, folks east of the Blue Ridge were dealing with that smoke, but today it's more in the valley because the winds have been shifting from the northeast to the southeast, more this easterly component helping to blow that smoke in more of this particular area that I've circled here. Now the wind is starting to shift more out of the south and southwest as we get into Monday and Tuesday. The breeze is picking back up here a little bit again Monday afternoon. So now that starts to shift that smoke back to the north and east again. So you can just see how things change based on that direction and the speed that we anticipate.